Since its founding in 1953, the Ohio Association of Student Leaders has offered summer leadership education and development programs to students from across the state of Ohio. Summer workshops are OASL's signature and premier experience that many describe as life-changing and the highlight of their summer. These 5-day, 4-night experiences include programs designed for both middle school and high school students. Participants join us on a university or college campus for a leadership summer camp experience, complete with large and small group experiential learning sessions, fun and games, personal reflection opportunities, and friendships that will last a lifetime. Through OASL, diverse student leaders from across Ohio find connection with peers who want to positively impact their world. Summer workshop participants learn how to better work together to develop creative solutions that meet the ever-changing needs of our schools and communities. Following summer workshop, students return home with knowledge, skills, and conviction to make a lasting difference in all they encounter. OASL welcomes all students who are interested in developing as leaders for positive change. Summer workshop is for students from any organization, club, athletic team, or school group in Ohio. Together, we will serve, connect, and inspire our peers, our families, our schools, our communities, and our world. Safety this summer is a primary concern for all of us. OASL will follow both university and state recommendations and guidelines, including the use of face masks, a negative COVID test upon arrival, creating pods of students for the week, and daily symptom and temperature checks. Delegates will need to agree to all of these protocols before arriving on campus. In addition to the on-site protocols, all OASL staff members will be fully vaccinated. We know being fully vaccinated can reduce the risk and the need to quarantine for delegates. We encourage our delegates and their families to continue to research the vaccine and consider being vaccinated before our workshops as well. To learn more about our program, our COVID protocols, or to register for summer workshop, please visit our website, www.oasl-oh.org. We can't wait to learn and grow with you this summer.
OASL.
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 OASL, Ohio Association of Student Leaders.
Ohio Association of Student Leaders.
Ohio Association of Student Leaders Summer Workshop.